西日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。通勤特急らくらくやまと新大阪行きです。列車は前から3号車、2号車の順に一番後ろが1号車です。この列車は全車指定席です。ご乗車には乗車券の他に指定席特急券が必要です。王子まで各駅に停まります。止まります駅などは王子発車後にご案内いたします。次は郡山です。
Thank you for using JR West. This is the limited express Raku Raku Yamato bound for Shin Osaka. This train has 3 cars, with car number 3 at the front and car number 1 at the rear. All seats on this train are reserved seats. To board this train, you need a reserved seat limited express ticket in addition to your basic fare ticket. We will be stopping at every station before arriving at Oji. Further information, such as route information, will be announced after leaving Oji. The next stop is Koriyama.